Hi there, Nathalie with you today with a new unboxing of the add-on kit for Citrus Twist Kits for the December 2019 kit. And this is just the Life Crafted kit, and I'm just going to put it aside. The name of the kit is Hustle and Heart, and if you're a subscriber, you're going to love it. And if you're not a subscriber, then you should consider it, because I think if you have a boy in your life, you want to get this kit. So let me just put it aside and then just go through. First of all, I'm going to show you what the selection of cardstock. This month you're gonna get 3 pieces of cardstock. One is a teal, one is a flamingo from Basil, and my white cardstock is on the side. And then you're gonna get a selection of papers. This month's palette is very neutral, very muted, but beautiful. So you're gonna get a selection. These are from Heidi Swapp Honey and Spice collection. And then you're gonna get Wallflower, Cider House, and Color Flow. And then you're gonna get one of the One Canoe 2 papers. This is Emerald Meadows. And then the selection of paper goes to Snowflake from Create Paper. This is Snow Capped. You have Knitted, Spruce, Marshmallow. You're also gonna get a copy of not a copy, sorry, you're gonna get one of the specialty papers, and this has gold foil stars on it, and this is from the Create Paper Snowflake collection. Let me just put that aside behind the cardstock, and then I'm going to show you the B-sides. So let me just see if I can do it all at once. So you see the B-sides. So you're going to have a lot of neutral colors, a very interesting palette, which is going to be perfect for winter, perfect for spring, and I love what the colors are. So I'm going to put it here so you can see. I'm going to bring the embellishments, what are included in this month's kit. You're going to get a set of enamel dots from the Willow collection from One Canoe 2. You're also going to get the entire package of the stickers. This is from the Snowflake collection from Create Paper. And they have like the black foam with little, let's say, little twigs on them. So it's there. You're also gonna get the puffy stickers from the Snowflake collection. You're gonna get the cardstock stickers from the Heidi Swapp Honey and Spice collection. So there's a lot of copper foil. It's gonna match all the papers that you have there. And you're gonna get also the entire ephemera pieces pack from the Snowflake collection. A lot of winter scene, but perfect to do your December daily album in a non-traditional way, which is what I'm going to use most of this kit for. I'm going to actually I'm going to mix this with some of my Life Crafted and some of my Christmas kit to create my my album from December. Very eclectic. I have a lot of birthdays in December, so this is going to come perfect. But there's a few more things that are coming to the shop that I think you want to maybe add to your cart. One of them is the Snowflake chipboard stickers, and you can find them in the shop. They're available right now with release. You can also find the ephemera pack from the Heidi Swapp Honey and Spice collection, which is the one that matches most of the papers in this add-on kit. And then of course you're gonna find all the new stamps that are being released with this kit, so make sure you check them. There's also an entire catalog of cut files that are also being released today, as well as the December Days collection, which is a set of 18 3x4 cards that are gonna match these papers and help you document your December. So I hope to see you soon, and I'm just gonna start cutting this up and create my album. Take care, guys.